Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to OVERMONT floor protection mats. It's a fitness mat for sports equipment mat. 18-piece set, non-slip for gym fitness equipment with EVA material. These floor protection mats are made of EVA foam, non-slip and wear resistant. It's really easy to assemble. The fitness mat set included the 80 pieces, each is 30.5 to 30.5 centimeters, including the edges, 1.2 centimeter thick. The floor protection mat fitness device protects the floor from bumps, sweat, or scratches. Also for fitness, yoga, and of course martial arts. It's really easy to clean due to the water repellent properties. Simply wipe with a damp cloth. And multiple use. Perfect floor protection mat for home, children's room, gym, garage, and cellar or cellar. It's all possible to protect it by using that awesome mat. It's really cool because it's so easy. It's like a puzzle, but not a not a high difficult puzzle, okay? This is a high quality product for strength and resistance training, performance, muscle recovery, yoga, and Pilates. Oh yeah, that's really cool. Convert any area into a safe and convenient workout area with these puzzle mats here. The interlocking pieces are quick and easy to attach and assemble, so we can set it up and take it apart easily. This is great for garage and basements and for outdoor use too, as you can see. It's no problem. Go in, assemble it, yeah, and have fun. Make your workout or relax. Or what you are going to do is what this mat can bring to you. This dense foam provides more room and cushion than the standard yoga mats or folding exercise mats. This allows us to spread out with weights or a bench or a performance or varied workouts. It is great for floor exercise like push-ups, sit-ups, setting a bench on for a bench press, or for rolling and stretching, and it can be used for yoga or Pilates. And it's easy, really. The high density water resistant foam provides a comfortable cushion for knees, backs, wrists, and elbows, while being easy to clean and maintain. Designed with awesome, this is a black color, and it looks like a puzzle, and you push them into position, and then there it is. You can start. The 6 square tiles cover a total of 24 square feet and includes the 12 border for a polished finish look. This use fever if needed. We can use and buy more of it to cover a greater surface area. And it's durable, as you can see. You can run on it. You can pump on it. You can make nearly all exercise on it. These awesome puzzle mats are perfect for working out in areas with hard floors, such as garage, basements, and of course your garden too. If we need a safe and comfortable area to work, but we don't want to completely redesign or install flooring at home or in our fitness studio, this is a great option. The this ceiling, this mat, these puzzle mats are ready if you are ready for a good exercise on devices, on pillions, or such on the floor with the awesome OVERMONT floor protection mats. These are awesome for fitness, for sports, and for kids. Oh, It's cool for a play area, no prop, because buy a second or a third or a fourth pair of sets of it, and they are all compatible, and you can make a really big floor protection out of this one set with 18 pieces. It will all give you non-slip design for the gym, for fitness, for your kids area, for your bathroom too. No problem, because it's water resistant and easy to clean, easy to handle, and easy to work. As you can see, this is awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.